Hello and welcome to my channel. The Rabbit and the Bird is a heartwarming tale that sparks a lovely conversation between Rishita and her brother Krish. Rishita, hey bro, I want to tell you a story about a rabbit and a bird. Krish, okay, I am listening. So, there was a rabbit named Lona who lived in a cozy little burrow. That sounds nice. And there was a bird named Sona who lived in a nearby tree. What happened between them? Well, a big storm came and destroyed Lona's burrow. Oh no! What did Lona do? Sona saw Lona shivering with fear and decided to help her. That's so nice of Sona. Sona used her wings to guide Lona to a safe spot. Wow, they were such good friends. Yeah, they are. And from that day on, Lona and Sona became inseparable. That's a beautiful story. What do you think we can learn from it? I think we can learn about the importance of kindness, empathy, and friendship. Absolutely. Thanks for sharing the story, sis.